everyone, welcome back to Eric's Everyday Watches. It's time for another unboxing video, so I'm kind of excited about this. This is my first titanium watch. This is the Citizen BM8560. So we're going to go ahead and get started and just get into it and see what's inside the box. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this, see what we got. Okay, so I'm kind of excited to take a look at this. This is actually my first titanium watch. And not the first one I've reviewed on my channel, but the first one ever. I've never actually even held a titanium watch. So I'm kind of excited to see what it's like. So first the box, I gotta say this is not the same box that some of my other watches came in. This is kind of nice. They got a faux wood grain on it. I'm assuming it's faux. If it is, they actually did a really nice job with it. Some kind of a plastic top with a logo on top. Actually has hinges. That's unexpected. So if you're giving this away as a gift, this would actually be a nice presentation. And there she is. The Citizen Garrison model BM8560. Now, one of the interesting things about this watch is, on Amazon, you can pick this up for $300. But here's the catch. If you go to Amazon.uk, they actually sell the exact same watch for $182. Free international shipping. I don't understand it. I don't know what they're doing. And the truth is, you don't even have to go to Amazon.uk. If you're just on Amazon, you could click on international shipping or international whatever, and it will start popping up products that they have in the Amazon UK site. So, first thought, this is actually a pretty nice looking watch. I like the green dial. It said a green dial, but now that I see it in person, I have to say it's kind of a grayish green, kind of a dark green too. But I do like the way that it plays with the other colors here, right? We got a pale yellow, we got white, and we got this like oranges accents on the minute ticks. So kind of a nice little look. Now this watch also comes available with a titanium bracelet. So personally, I went for the leather strap the main reason is because I noticed online that the clasp that comes with the titanium bracelet only had one micro adjustment, and I have not been having good luck with that lately. I need at least 4 or 5 micro adjustments so I can get a good fit. So I thought I'd just bypass that whole trouble and go for the leather strap. Plus, I like the way that the brown leather plays with the green dial. I thought that's actually a pretty slick looking color combination. So as I mentioned before, this is a titanium watch. If you do get the metal band, that is also titanium. On their website, Citizen lists it as super titanium. I'm not really sure what makes it super, but let's just go with it. As you see at the 3 o'clock, we got a day and date complication. 6 o'clock, it reads Echo Drive. This is their solar powered technology. And you notice if you do go with the leather strap, the brown leather, it does have contrasting stitching, which I think is kind of nice. It kind of adds to that old school look that they're obviously going for. We have their logo printed on it. That's kind of nice. So one of the reasons why I went for this watch, I have one Citizen watch in my collection, and that is the Nighthawk. And I just feel like a lot of Citizen watches, the dial is a little cluttered for me. And okay, I admit it, the Nighthawk is not the cleanest dial to begin with either, but I feel like it's legible. But I feel like a lot of the watches are just too busy for me personally. So when I saw this one online and I saw the specs, I thought, I have to see this in person. I got to see what this is really like. So this does come with a sapphire crystal. As we mentioned before, the day and date at the 3 o'clock. As far as specs, we are looking at 42 millimeters diameter. Unsigned crown, we have 11 millimeters thick. Lug width of 22 millimeters. As you can see, it's a screw down case back. It does have 10 bars of water resistance. Genuine leather printed on the back of the strap, and it is a nice thick piece of leather. They did not skimp out. You know, I saw some people writing in that the leather strap was stiff as a board, but you know, honestly, it feels pretty decent. And Citizen does back this up with a 5-year warranty. Now the case does appear to be a combination of brushed and polished, which is quite nice. Actually, you know, it feels nice and smooth, finished off on the top, but on the back, it does surprisingly feel a little sharp. I was expecting a higher quality finish from Citizen for this level of watch, quite honestly. So you guys know the drill. I am going to take this for a test drive for a week or two, get some actual everyday use out of it, and then I'll get back to you guys with a full review. So there you go, everyone. If you found this video helpful, if you liked it in any way whatsoever, please do me a favor and hit the like button and consider subscribing. Until then, this is Eric from Eric's Everyday Watches, reminding you to buy the watch that you love. And don't pay any attention to what anybody else says or thinks. This is your watch collection, and you're the only one that's going to be wearing it. I'll see you in the next video.